want to talk about your hobbies in English, but you always say, I like reading, and then stop.
Oh, that's so many of us. Welcome back to Alex and Daisy English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Daisy. So, Alex, real talk for a second. Why does this happen to so many learners?
Good question. I think we learn I like very early. It's the first phrase in every textbook, but then nothing comes after.
Right. I like music. Full stop. End of conversation. Awkward silence everywhere.
I know that silence very well.
Me too. It's the worst feeling.
So today we share 3 easy fixes, 3 small tools for hobby conversations.
Nothing complicated, just real, useful phrases.
Ready, Daisy?
Let's go.
But first, here's a question. Why does I like reading feel so flat?
I have a theory. We learn the words, but not the feeling.
Oh, that's good. Say more.
Like, I like is correct, but it doesn't show who you are.
Right. It tells nothing. I like music, but what music? When?
Exactly. The other person can't ask back.
So the talk just dies.
Painful.
But here's the good news. This is easy to fix. Really easy.
Promise?
Promise. Let me show you. Okay, story time. Last month, I went to a small party. My friend's birthday party. I didn't know many people there. A new friend came up and asked me something. She said, "What do you do for fun, Alex?" And my brain just froze.
Oh no. What did you say?
I said, I like, watching things.
Watching things? What things?
Exactly, that's the problem. I knew the words, but I sounded so boring.
And then?
And then she smiled and walked away.
Oh no, Alex.
I know, it hurt my feelings a little.
I'm sorry, but also same.
Same?
Wait, my story is coming. Last week at a coffee shop, a nice person started a conversation with me. He asked me, "What do you do for fun?" Same question, different day. I said, "I like cooking." And then we just stared at each other.
The silent stare.
It was so painful. I wanted to disappear into my coffee. After he left, I thought of so many things. I cook Italian food on Sundays. I tried making sushi last month. I love finding new recipes online. But in the moment, nothing.
Yes, that's the worst part. You know the words, but they hide.
Exactly, they hide.
Okay, let's fix this today. First tip, change I like sometimes.
Change to what?
Try I'm into instead.
I'm into? What does it mean?
I'm into cooking means I really enjoy cooking. It sounds more natural, more real.
Oh, I like that one. I'm into hiking.
Yes, see, you sound different already,
It feels more me.
right? Like is general. Into feels personal.
Let me try more. I'm into yoga. I'm into making coffee at home.
See, you sound like a real person, not a textbook.
But wait, I love. I love cooking. Sounds strong, right?
Careful with I love. We save love for big things. Family, best friends, pizza.
Hey, pizza is a big thing.
Pizza is huge. But I love cooking can sound too strong. Like you can't live without it.
So I'm into is softer.
Exactly. I'm into cooking, you enjoy it. I love cooking, it's your whole life.
Okay, that really helps. So I love is for super strong feelings.
Right. Save it for what really matters.
Got it.
Try saying it now, out loud.
I'm into reading mystery books.
Perfect. That sounds way better.
It does, and it's not hard.
That's the magic. Small change, big difference.
But Alex, one more thing. What if I forget in the moment?
Honestly, I forget too. When I speak Spanish, I get nervous. I just say me gusta, like I like.
So you really get it.
I really do. Here's a small tip. Practice at home first. Talk to yourself in the mirror.
Talk to the mirror? Really?
Yes, sounds silly, works great. Say 5 things you're into. Every morning, just 5 things.
5 things? Like a little game?
A little game with yourself.
I love that idea.
See, you used love again.
Oh no, I did. Old habits are hard.
They really are.
Okay, so tip 1 is in my head, but I feel like there's more.
Oh, there is. Tip 1 helps, but there's a bigger problem.
Bigger? What?
Even with I'm into, you can sound short.
True. I'm into cooking. Then what?
Right. Now we need details. When you do it, where? Why?
Oh, like a tiny story.
Exactly. Just add one small detail.
Okay, let me try. Story time again. Same coffee shop, different day. Same question. What do you do for fun? This time, I said something better.
What did you say?
I said, I'm into cooking on weekends. I make pasta every Sunday.
Oh, nice. 2 details. When you cook and what you make.
And guess what happened?
They asked you more questions?
Yes, he asked about Italian food. We talked for 20 minutes.
That's a real conversation.
I know, it felt so different. I wasn't scared anymore.
Because you gave him something to grab.
Something to grab. I like that.
It's like opening a door. Without a detail, the door stays closed.
That makes sense.
This brings me to tip 2, my favorite phrase ever.
Oh, tell me.
In my free time.
Oh, that's a nice one.
It's simple, but it works every time. In my free time, I draw. In my free time, I play guitar.
It sounds so natural.
Right? It tells people when you do it.
And it's so easy to remember.
5 small words, big impact.
Let me try. In my free time, I watch K-dramas.
See? Now I want to ask about them.
Don't ask. We need 3 hours.
Okay, later. But that's the point. You opened a door for me.
A door. I love how you said that.
Love again, Daisy?
Oh no, old habits.
Try one more time.
I'm into doors, the talking kind.
Much better.
Okay, real question now. Some people don't have hobbies.
What do you mean?
Like, I'm too busy with work. I don't have time for hobbies.
I disagree, actually. Everyone has hobbies, even small ones. Drinking coffee can be a hobby.
Wait, really?
Sure, I'm into trying new coffee shops. That's a hobby.
Oh, that counts?
It counts. Walking, watching shows, cooking simple meals, even just listening to podcasts, all hobbies.
I never thought of it that way.
Most people don't. We think a hobby must be big, like climbing mountains or painting.
Right, something special.
But small things count too. Walking your dog, talking to your plants.
Talking to plants?
I do it. Don't judge me.
Now I really want to know what you say.
Another time, Daisy. Try it now. What's one small thing you do?
I drink tea every morning slowly.
There. I'm into making tea in the morning.
Oh, that sounds nice when I say it.
See? You have hobbies after all.
I really do.
Here's something my dad always says. Hobbies are not what you like. They're what you do when no one watches.
Oh, that's good. Say it again.
Hobbies are what you do when no one watches.
I love that. Wait, can I say I'm into that?
Yes, much better.
I'm into that quote.
Perfect.
So a hobby is anything I enjoy alone?
Yes, or with people, but for fun. Not for work, not for money.
Just because.
Just because. Hey, speaking of being into things, if you're into this podcast, hit the like button. Show us some love.
Or some of into, really.
Either works.
And subscribe to Alex and Daisy English. We make new episodes every weekday.
So we are kind of like a hobby too.
A small daily hobby.
The best kind. Okay, quick recap before we go.
3 small tools.
1. Change I like to I'm into.
2. Add a small detail. When, where, or why.
3. Use in my free time.
That's it.
3 tools, way better conversations.
Try one this week, listeners. Just one. Don't do them all at once.
Start small. 1 tool, 1 week.
And tell us in the comments, what are you into?
Use the new phrase we want to hear,
We read every comment,
even the short ones.
especially the short ones.
So go practice with someone today.
Or with your mirror.
The mirror works. Trust me.
One more thing before we go. Don't worry about being perfect.
Yes, even native speakers say, I like. It's not wrong. It's just short.
Now you have something longer to say.
That's the real win.
See you tomorrow on Alex and Daisy English.
Same time, same place.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now. Have a great day.